In this video, I'm going to show you how to mass unfollow on Instagram. So if you're following a large number of accounts and want to manage your following list more efficiently, then this tutorial will show you a method that some users use to contact Instagram for assistance. First, open the Instagram app and head over to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and select Help. From the Help section, tap Report a Problem, and then choose Report Problem without shaking. After that, tap Include and continue to proceed. You'll now see a message box where you can explain the issue you're experiencing. In the message, you can request assistance from the Instagram team regarding managing or unfollowing multiple accounts. Once you've finished writing your message, tap Send to submit the report. After submitting the request, you'll need to wait for Instagram to review the report and respond if necessary. And that's how you can contact Instagram regarding mass unfollowing and account management. Found this video helpful? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.